What's up guys, welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. If you're on the lookout for the next wild crypto play, WGC is one you will want on your radar. Wild Goat Coin is a community-driven currency of the future, and it's backed by S-tier liquidity that is designed to fuel growth from day one. It's an Omnichain Gold X Hype meme coin that is keeping over 70% of its core liquidity tied into Hyperliquid's hype and gold-backed assets. That's giving it a solid foundation while still carrying the massive viral energy the market needs in this bull run. Let's dive in and find out what exactly makes it the fastest growing project now. Alright guys, let's talk about where this project stands today. It's been around for almost 2 years, first launching on Solana back in December 2023 with a total supply of 69 billion tokens. That supply has gradually been reduced and now sits at 5 billion, and the current market cap is under 500k, which shows how early this still is. Right now we are on the Wild Goat Coin V3, which is an upgrade that went live in April of this year, where about 40% of the supply was airdropped to 705,000 wallets. That upgrade shifted the entire project from a Solana native token to a layer 0 OFT deployed across 32 chains. Liquidity is currently active on HyperEVM, Base, and BNB Chain, and markets on Solana are expected to return soon. And with this upgrade, WGC can be transferred natively across most top blockchains through Stargate or Superbridge apps. What you need to know as well is that there was a big setback in early 2024 after being scammed by insiders at a Solana liquidity platform. The campaign was supposed to increase liquidity, but instead increased circulating supply and drained project-owned liquidity. This definitely took time to recover, but now the project is back and in a good position with momentum on its side. And since June, the focus has been HyperEVM first, rotating liquidity, which has been growing USD value well so far. The project is still DEX only with no market maker or KOL deals, and the team is dedicated to reaching its full potential and competing in the top 100. While HyperEVM is the main focus, it is not yet listed on Hyperliquid's main exchange app, but that is definitely expected before the end of the year. And just by looking at these charts, you can clearly see how far this project has come since launch. From the early Solana days in 2023 through setbacks in 2024 to the V3 migration in 2025. This project has managed to stabilize supply, recover market structure, and now sit at a market cap of under 500,000. The price action shows steady growth over the last month with over 30% gains, which is a strong sign of accumulation, especially with higher lows forming and liquidity rotating. Now guys, what makes this setup so interesting for investors right now is how early we still are. The supply is capped at 5 billion, liquidity is active across multiple chains, and the momentum is picking up again as markets prepare for the next bull run. Entering at this stage gives exposure to a project that has survived tough conditions, built stronger infrastructure, and is now positioned for a potential breakout as more exchanges and liquidity routes open up. And if the trend continues and WGC pushes toward a 5 million market cap in the next 12 months, we could be looking at a realistic 10x from today's levels, with even bigger upside possible if adoption accelerates and the top 100 target comes into play. What I also have to highlight is that the momentum definitely does not stop at the charts. What's huge right now is the massive level of backing and support this project has across socials and news platforms. Their community keeps expanding fast, and the energy around it is only getting stronger. Their engaged base sits at around 7,000 to 8,000 legit holders, and that kind of dedicated core is exactly what sustains long-term growth instead of short-term hype. As you can see guys, WGC is already showing up everywhere it matters, and it's listed across all the major crypto crypto trackers available on Coinbase Wallet, and DEX trading is on track to be integrated into Coinbase's main central exchange. It's also available on Binance through BNB Chain integration, which is massive for liquidity and reach, giving the project access to some of the biggest markets in the world. And what's also massive is their Wild Goat NFTs that are set to launch on Friday, September 12th on HyperEVM through OpenSea's Launchpad. It's a collection of 5,000 unique profile pictures designed to mark the rise of Wild Goat Coin. It's a blind mint, so each NFT is randomly assigned and revealed instantly, with a 5% royalty supporting future development and sustainability. 500 NFTs will go to the treasury, while the remaining 90% will be available to holders and public buyers. Each Wild Goat is a one-of-one collectible with varying traits and rarity, and while the art itself is premium and built for profile flex, there is also the potential for added utility down the line. We're talking token-gated Discord access, merch drops, and even some event perks. For holders, the pre-sale works through a snapshot taking on Thursday, September 11th. Wallets holding at least 1 million WGC across supported chains can claim 1 NFT per million WGC for a small mint fee. Keep in mind that claims are open for 48 hours, after which the allocation expires. Public mint is expected at around $50 or 0.01 Ethereum, which is a fair entry for a collection that is tied this closely to a fast-growing ecosystem. And on top of everything we've already covered, Wild Goat Coin has locked in a partnership with Tangem Wallet, one of the most trusted hardware wallet manufacturers in the space. They've even dropped limited edition WGC X Tangem wallets available while stocks last. This wallet will give holders state-of-the-art security with a mobile-first design. Just tap to sign in and you can manage your DeFi assets, NFTs, and stablecoins all from one app. This move is huge, and it's a move that shows that they're serious about both adoption and protection. If you want to grab one, the site is wildgoatcoin.tangem.com, and with the discount code WILDGOAT, you get 25% off. This brings a pack of 3 cards down to just $52, guys. As you can see, Wild Goat Coin is definitely shaping up to be one of the most talked about projects of the year, and we are definitely still early. With NFTs dropping September 12th, listings on the horizon, and partnerships like Tangem pushing adoption, the momentum is only getting stronger. Early positions always win the most in cycles like this, so do not sleep on WGC, because the next big move could be closer than anyone expects. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.